Dengan dokumen kita bahkan resmi ngelayo ban Plie ya ka integrated processing unit.
Ka Eastern Ribhoi Organic Farmer Producer Company Ltd kalayo ban Placendon ni ka Karkhana red ban Pynmih marep palatip kum ka integrated processing unit and organic outlet kabadan Khapmara bohi rembong. Ya ketika Karkhana Plie UMLE ka Umroy uba George Bilingdo harangkat ka jingadan lang da uba rangken sai kharbuli MDC ka Umroy constituency kumuk sembur kongsan USC Sadhu IAS Secretary Jukatanan Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Sarkar Jilla Arpit Upadhyay DC ka Ribhoi District Dr. Clifford Warjeri BDO ka bohi rembong bat kiwe ki officer na katanan jangka horticulture bat agriculture. Ya ketika Karkhana red latih haka jinglot ka ba laipusan lak limbaga scheme Mission Value Chain Development Phase 1 joka soal karpede.
MOVCD ke scheme kebawan na po ako sa karpede. Balak sedang ini harus saya mengajarkan dekat nyo. Maka na po isi kilomder juni, po isi bukut harus saya mengajarkan nyo. Bat hapo Ribhoi jet South ni di Jakarta, malah penbenaran ni. Atba National South di Erbofpc. Kamumut tanding nilung kendai di Shillong, di Thai Umling, Thai Jirang, Thai di Jong, bar soplok siti di Jong. Tegini di South ni, bangi sosorong e barau itu, kamakir syaprat oleh Eastern Ribhoi Organic Erbofpc. Mat pun kedak di sungu pada di ai buram ini, nawilam di berani tempat pi, tapi ada sikap ti kebejam nak komentar di Shillong bejuki. Abangkan sepang MOVCD dari scheme. Kamut tang haban kersian nepi tang lemba kisemban. Kamut on kersian nepi tang lemba kita tapi perangkam hata jekadet bejupi. Nilai ni ai la value chain development. Kabut bangi pendek pembiang dulu. Ya di Jakarta bengu yusi dari Khapmara. Kajakan kabanga ban penterkong ni banthat yang ini jingchung. Kajakan kabanga Mendon kita bernak menpindit pembiang susu yang ini kepada KPI about value development.
So I think that today we are having all these things together, and all the farmers have come together to open one processing unit, which is for the value addition, and at the same time we have organic outlet for the marketing of the products. So this is how we have to go ahead for the increasing of the income by the farmers. And more importantly, all the activities are completely organic in nature. So when everyone is struggling to come towards organic farming, the farmers from Dubai are already showing the way, already leading by the example that we are doing organic food here, and we are coming together and successfully going ahead with these kind of endeavors.
Ya ke kepada kalian kipat bak nomor jongi ikrang bak angut. Oi haman lagi program kabagidon hal ini berkarya mi ya keren ya ke processing unit, integrated processing unit. Markum bak Shillong tadi ke sisian kene ka Thai Ribhoi ke jongi. Kerpang kene ka Thai Ribhoi ni ke jongi ke baburo. Ni dei iba klaim ban Pynmih yausing. Ban using ubamani ni Pynmih na nekatan nila supply raw material bek syabar na neka jela ke jongi. Nakapur Singapore nakaliang the board of directors jongi ne company ke jongi ni ju ya kendu lang bat nga bat ni ju ya perkhat balano ngin ban yo no ya neka integrated processing unit. Kaban long kajing terku ya ipai nong red jong dekat han ke jongi. Dengan dokumen kita bahkan resmi ngelayo ban Plie ya ka integrated processing unit. Bat ni sutku bagajing Pynmih kadang long kabaduna katkum ka history katkum ka jingetu dengan yang isi yo jongi ni sutku bakala ban Pynmih tan kumba aspa ilo ya kasismi.
Has it been initiated with an objective of end-to-end support to our farmers, which includes quality production, effective post-harvest management, value addition, to our farmers. So this is very important for all our farmers first to also understand the potential in our region and how we can get more income to what we have been producing so far. Though we have production in our region, but in terms of aggregation, in terms of logistics, which with a minimum cost, and in terms of food processing, we were still very far behind to achieve full potential of this entire organic practices that we do have in our state. It is time to realize this potential by coming together of all our farmers as FPCs, and in future the objective is to come together so that we don't have to spend separately for all these logistic solutions.